Welcome to the CrispMetrics. In this video we will see how to use like statement in MySQL. Before starting, let's select our database. After that, let's see what data we have in our students table. Okay, so we have this data in our students table. Now let's make a question. Suppose we want to select those rows, in which first name should start from V word. Okay, so let's do it. So just add your where clause, and write first name. After that, use like keyword. Now inside colons, you have to pass V, and then percentage. You can see, it is working fine. V percentage means, word should start from V, and the ending word can be anything here. Let's take one more example. Suppose we want to extract those rows in which our first name should end with H word. For that, just remove V, and add your H word after the percentage. You can see how easy it is. We got row, in which first name is ending with H. Okay, so let's take our last example. Suppose I want to extract those rows, in which first name contain I word in between. So just contain your I word in between the percentage signs. You can see the results. Vishal contains I word in between. This is all about this video. We will see more things in next videos. Do not forget to like the video, and please subscribe to the channel.